The DJI Air 3S is a fantastic drone that offers a great balance of features, performance, and price. It's a significant upgrade over its predecessor, the Air 3, with a number of improvements that make it a compelling choice for both hobbyists and professionals. Key features: dual camera system, a 1-inch CMOS sensor for stunning 4K, 60 fps video and 50 megapixels photos, and a 48 megapixels telephoto camera for 3x optical zoom. Powerful flight performance, wind resistance up to 12 meters per second and a maximum flight time of 46 minutes. Advanced obstacle avoidance, omnidirectional obstacle sensing and APAS 5.0 for safer and more reliable flight. Easy-to-use controller, intuitive controls and a bright display for a seamless flying experience. Compact and portable design, easily folds up for convenient travel. Pros: excellent image quality. The dual camera system captures stunning photos and videos, even in low light conditions. Impressive flight performance. The Air 3S is stable and responsive, even in windy conditions. Advanced features, obstacle avoidance, intelligent flight modes, and a long flight time make it a versatile drone. User-friendly. The intuitive controller and easy-to-use app make it accessible to users of all levels. Cons. Price. The Air 3S is more expensive than its predecessor, but it's still a good value for the features it offers. Weight. The Air 3S is heavier than some other drones in its class, which may require additional permits or licenses in some regions. Overall, the DJI Air 3S is an excellent drone that offers a great combination of features, performance, and ease of use. It's a great choice for anyone looking to take their aerial photography and videography to the next level.
Got a feeling in my shoulder.